There's a close look of how the 3D printer is printed, right? You can see, finishes printing that, goes over to the next. They've actually placed some fins there. Then it continues on the next, goes around, goes over the plastic glass that has been placed there, and goes over the other structures. Look, that's the interesting part I want to just capture here. Look at that, goes over the other structures, and that's it, fixed, and that's it, fixed. For the prints, that way you have a clean, look at that, goes over the other plastic glass and there, and that layer is done, and that way you have a very clean 3D printed structure going right there. Then it comes over here to next. Presume it's coming right here. Now it's going to start from there. It's going to start from that point over there. Let's look at that. I'm trying to pull my head away from the 3D printer. That's how humongous it is, actually. That's the pipe that gives in the mix. This pipe goes directly there and comes from here all the way there and gives the mix there. You can see how the pipe goes, and the mix is being put there. It's the right ratio, everything is just done already, and that's it. And that's been 3D printed, that's printed, and then it goes over to the next. Starts from there. There's a layer on this too. Look at that. When I tell people that you don't have to lift a block when the 3D printer does the work, they don't believe. Look at that, just right over it. And there you have it, it's fixed layer by layer, and just that way we have each and every one of these being touched, right? That's cool.